going on a trip to Tabarca Island today. Just got on the coach at the country club. It's just off Alicante. Getting the boat over to the island. Should be exciting, looking forward to it. Then we're in Santa Pola. We're just about to get on the boat to go over to the island. That's lovely. Lots of people on the boat, loads going over to the island. So it should be interesting amongst the tourists. Nice though, Santa Pola we're in. Lovely. Nothing like a big bit of rack. It's really harbour. We're actually moving. It's getting a bit hot on here, being stationary. Hippie shops. It's quite shallow, it's lovely. But there's loads of fish down there. are the jails that they used to keep the pirates in, apparently. The original jails. War. Should have your pirate hat. So this island used to be frequented by pirates, and once they managed to capture them all, they threw them into those jails there and let them rot. Nice. Great history though. You can see there's lots of little jails along here as well. Well, let's see if we can find somewhere in the shade. Don't want to sit in the sun, do we? Frazzle.
Bésame mucho, como si fuera esta noche la última vez. Bésame, bésame mucho, que tengo miedo de tenerte después. Bésame.
Muy bien.
Muchas gracias.
¿Sí, amigo?
No, él, amigo mío, pero él trabaja.